Hi guys, what's up? These pieces, these will be the side panels of this bed frame. First I was thinking that I will use multiple pieces of wood and glue those together to build this frame. But then I saw these in the shop and I think it's a pretty good deal, 39 francs per piece. I was calculating that if I will use the same kind of wood and multiple pieces, it would cost more. These are quite massive. It's 2.5 meters long, a little bit longer than I need, but obviously I can cut it to right length, 80 by 160 millimeters. Next I have to do some calculations and drawings. I have lots of cutting and ripping coming up with these woods. First thing what I have to do, I have to cut this piece away, and I'm going to use my miter saw. I think that's the only way I can do it here now, and I will just make a small cut here. The small problem is that my workshop is pretty small and this piece is pretty big. Yeah, at the moment it's raining outside, I can't even go there, but I think I can do it. With these first cuts I did basically everything wrong. Luckily I learned and I could do these next ones much faster. I should have some kind of wood piece here, because this blade didn't take all the way straight. It's a little bit here round. Next one, I know that I have to put something here. Just noticed that it's much easier to do this way. Longer piece is this side. It's much easier to move, and I can press here. I don't know what I was thinking with this first one. That was just the first one. I have still 7 of these to go, so next I will make holes here and obviously to the other end too. Those holes are for this one, that this can come through. I will make these holes a little bit larger than this one is. I want to have something between, something soft material which will prevent that it will make any sound. Something like this, for example. To make these holes I will use my router. First I will drill a hole and then I will use my jigsaw to make the rough cut, and then I will make some kind of a template that I can clean this with my router. This thing is actually broken. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. I don't know what's wrong. I made a small mistake, just a small calculation mistake. Luckily, I noticed it early enough that I don't have to buy more wood. I just have to do some parts again. But at the same time, I found out I can do this much faster. So I'm not also losing that much time. I just have to do something again. So this I did for nothing. Well, that was actually quite much work. Nothing special, nothing difficult, just kind of a basic stuff. This wood is very massive, so it needs lots of cutting, and because of I don't have all the tools in the world, I have to use what I have. And also I made some mistakes. I had to do something again. Luckily I didn't have to buy new woods. I think this frame, I think it's pretty much done, kind of. Obviously this is very rough cut at the moment. I didn't sand anything, I didn't do any edges round. And all these caps here, there is a purpose for these. I will put some carpet here between. Also under this one I will put carpet, that's why this is not totally flush yet. And yeah, obviously I will make all these edges and corners round. I want to make all round. Yeah, obviously these are a little bit too long at the moment, so in the end I have to make these all flush. And yeah, this one I don't know. It would maybe look kind of nice if I will leave it a little bit higher. This one, obviously I have to make this round, but I think it would look kind of nice if you can kind of see it. Other option is of course that I will cut this flush in the end. Yeah, but I don't know, it looks, in this room it looks looks very big. Luckily our bedroom there is a little bit more space. It's not that much bigger actually, it's maybe 15 centimeters wider. These parts here, there is also purpose for these. Obviously I will make some kind of a wall, back wall there that you can lean on, and it should be kind of in an angle. I have to think about that later, and these extra pieces here I can use to support this board. You may wonder how I will lay these metal frames here on the top of this frame, that those metal frames are not moving or making sounds. I have an idea for that. This you have to wait a little bit. Maybe not in the next video, but maybe after that I will make this happen. Next I have to make all these edges round, cut these to right length. I think that's going to be in my next video. See you guys next time. Bye.